Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss on how to derive a lens maker's formula from the PUC second year ray optics and optical instrument. A most important formula and this most important question, and this formula gives a relation between the refractive index of the lens and the focal length and the radius of curvature of the two refracting surfaces. Okay, to derive this expression, so we have to assume some ideas. So what are the ideas means the lens should be considered as very thin and the space between the refracting two surfaces is very small, and the lens on the either side the mediums have the same refractive index. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಎರಡೂ ಕಡೆ ನಾವು ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಕಡೆ ನಮಗೆ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, to derive this expression, so we go for drawing of the geometry of the image formation by using the biconvex lens. ಅಂದ್ರೆ biconvex lens ನಿಂದ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕೋಣ. So that let me start by drawing of this diagram, ray diagram. So first we consider one thin biconvex lens. So this is a very thin biconvex lens. So first I will draw the principal axis. So this is the principal axis. This is principal axis having refracting surfaces. Say it is A, B, C is the one refracting surface and A, D, C is the other refracting surfaces. So let the object is placed on the principal axis at some certain point. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು object ಅನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಾಗ, so the ray diagram of this one is, so let us consider this is the incident ray, and after the incident ray by this surface ABC, ಈ ABC surface ನಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ನಿಂದ ಆದಂತ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಲೆಟ್ ವಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ somewhere the points, ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೇ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ an I1 by this ABC surface. ABC ನಿಂದ ಆದಂತ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ತು. The next term by this ADC surface means the final image will be formed. So at some point, say I will write this position or this point is in say I. So this is the final image. So incident light and the refracted light we must be show the direction. Andre final namage image ಇಲ್ಲಿ formation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. For this ABC surface, the center of curvature is, say is the point of this center of curvature, I will call it is a C1. Then from this ADC surface, the center of curvature I will take it is in C. Okay, now the derivation is derived by considering the two steps. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು derivation ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು steps ಅನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ನಾವು refraction of the light by surface ABC ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಆವಾಗ BC1 ಲೆಂತ್ ಇದು ಈ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಗೆ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ವೇಚರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then second step ನಲ್ಲಿ the refraction through the surface ADC ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಆವಾಗ say this DC2 is the radius of curvature of the second surface ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಟಾಗ ಬೈ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ABC ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಸಮ್ವೇರ್ I1 ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಲೆನ್ಸ್. ಈ ಇಮೇಜ್ ನಮಗೆ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ N2 is the refractive index of this lens and N1 is the refractive index of the surrounding medium. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಇಮೇಜ್ N2 ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ the refraction, so consider the refraction by the surface ABC. Now using the formula from the refraction through spherical surfaces, ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾವನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಬರೀಬಹುದು. Then what is the formula? First, refractive index of the image phase. Refractive index of the image is formed in the lens, therefore it is N2. So most important this step N2, and the image distance, image ಎಲ್ಲಾಗಿದೆ, so it is B2 I1. So divided by B2 I1. According to sign convention, the distance to the right side of this lens is positive and this left side is negative. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ನಾವು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಲೆಂತ್, ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then minus of refractive index of the ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್, ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಾವು n1 ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ, then divided by the object distance. Object distance is say it is minus, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದಾಗ minus OB ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, so minus of this here minus plus OB equal to difference in the refractive index say n2 minus n1 by the radius of curvature. Radius of curvature ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ BC1. So this is the BC1. So this you call important equation number 1. Now the same ಈ surface ಆಗ್ತು. Now this I1 is works as an or I1 is considered as an the virtual object for the surface ADC. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಇಮೇಜ್ ನಾವು ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ADC ಗೆ ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Therefore for the second surface refraction, say refraction by the surface, so by the surface say it is an ADC. Now refractive index of the image space, so where is the image is formed? Image is formed in the n1 medium. So first is refractive index of image space by image distance. Image distance ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು DI ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is the DI. Then minus of refractive index of object space. Object ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, object ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ n2 medium ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. So an object distance, what is the object distance? Object is at say it is an DI1 distance. It is say DI1 equal to difference in the refractive index say n2 minus n1 by the radius of curvature. So what is the radius of curvature? It is say here DC2. ಇದು DC2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now call it is equation number 2. Now to find out the total refraction by the two surfaces we add 1 and 2. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ total refraction calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ so adding 1 and 2, 1 ಮತ್ತು 2 ಅನ್ನು add ಮಾಡಿ, adding 1 and 2. And one more the point is here for thin lenses. Thin lenses ಇದ್ದಾಗ say distance of this BI1 is equal to DI1. So BI1 length to say it is BI1 length equal to DI1 for thin lenses, for thin lenses. Therefore we write adding 1 and 2, so it is n2 by BI1 plus n1 by OB, then plus adding LHS side first n1 by DI, then minus n2 by DI1 equal to, then what is the term, n2 minus n1 divided by BC1 plus n2 minus n1 divided by DC2. Okay, by this assumption for the thin lenses BI1 DI1 are equal, therefore we can neglect this first and this is the fourth term. Idu plus idu minus eradu cancel agutte. Then so what is the final answer? We taking the n1 is common, idralli n1 common ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರೋಣ, it is 1 by OB plus 1 by DI. So this is equal to, again taking here n2 minus n1 is common term, then into ಇನ್ನೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 by BC1 plus 1 by DC2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So now using now this call equation number 3. So now we assume that as the object is at infinite distance, ನಮಗೆ object so assume the object is at infinity. The object is at infinity. So at infinite distance. So infinite distance andre say OB equal to infinite. Then where the image is forms, object ನಮಗೆ infinite ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ image say DI, image distance ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ focal point ನಲ್ಲಿ image formation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Say it is taken as plus F. So this implies the DI will be plus F. Now substitute in equation 3. ಈ values in equation 3 ನಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ say 1 by infinity. Anything by infinity is 0. So this is n1 into 0 plus 1 by di. Di is the focal length equal to n2 minus n1. Now you can use the sign convention. According to sign convention, BC1 length. So this BC1 length is nothing but plus R1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then next ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನಿದೆ DC2. D2C2 is left side, therefore it is DC2 is minus R2. So now we can substitute the value dc1 is, said it is an 1 by r1, then dc2 is minus 1 by r2. So now we can write n1 into 0 is 0, therefore it is n1 by f equal to n2 minus n1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. Applying n1 to this right side, say left side, 1 by f, say reciprocal of focal length equal to n2 by n1 minus n1 by n1, because I have divided this n1 to independently, ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ, then remaining factor say 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. Then say n1 is get cancelled, so 1 by f, so this is n2 by n1 is refractive index of the lens with respect to the surrounding medium. Say we write it is n2 by n1 is refractive index of second surface with respect to the first surface, say it is n21, therefore we write it is n21 minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. So this is a very important relation. This is known as the lens maker's formula for a given thin lenses. So this is a most important